Using McDonald's app in Drive-Thru. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use McDonald's app in the Drive-Thru. So in order to do that, you simply have to go to your McDonald's application, and in your McDonald's application, you have to go to the rewards section. After signing in, you will go to the rewards section and deal. I don't know, it's just won't let me access it. I don't know the reason. So if you have logged in, there must be some regional error, but in your case, you just have to go to the option and then you will easily be able to see another option for redeem codes. You just have to redeem in, and then you will see an option for use and drive-through. You just have to select that option, and then you will get some sort of digit codes that you need to provide to the crew before you order, and then you will easily be able to avail discount coins from your discount on mobile app. And that's how you will be able to use the McDonald's app in Drive-Thru. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.